Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your RedotPay account password. So first of all, you need to launch your RedotPay application, and over here on the home page, you are going to see the login option and the sign up option. Now, since you already have an account and you want to log in, but you have forgotten your password, I'm going to show you how you can actually reset your password. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and this way you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. So over here, tap on the option of login. Then you can select whether you want to log in with the help of your email address or your phone number. Afterwards, tap on the option of next. Now over here, you are going to see the option of forget password. So tap on the option of forget password. Then you need to provide that particular email address or phone numbers of yours on which you have your account created. So as soon as you tap on the option of next, a link is going to be sent on your email address. You need to use that link, tap on the option of reset your password, and then you will be redirected on the page where you can simply create a new password. Now as soon as you create a new password, you just have to come on the login page again. Now you need to provide the same email address and your recently created new password. So simply tap on the option of password and provide your password, and then simply tap on the option of login. So this way you will be able to easily reset your RedotPay account password. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.